This Woolwax Lanolin Undercoating Kit provides a complete setup with multiple ready-to-use black quart containers and a professional spray gun, so you can coat an entire vehicle without extra purchases or messy mixing. The lanolin-based formula stays slightly soft instead of turning brittle, forming a persistent barrier that keeps moisture and oxygen away from the metal to slow down rust. Because the product is thick and non-dripping, it clings strongly to undercarriage surfaces and resists being washed away by rain, snow, or road spray. The included rigid and flexible extension wands make it practical to reach inside frame rails, rocker panels, and other hidden cavities that usually stay unprotected. Users who are sensitive to harsh chemical smells will appreciate that this coating has a very mild odor and is solvent-free, making application more pleasant in a home garage. Once applied with a compressor in the recommended pressure range, the coating continues to creep into seams, self-heal minor scrapes from road debris, and provide long-term protection between applications.